Okay, so next we're going to work on our transverse abdominis contraction. So the transverse abdominis is like the corset for your stomach. So what you want to think about is pulling your belly button up slightly and in towards the floor. So if you see here, when I do that, when I'm pulling my belly button towards the floor and also up just a little bit towards me, you're going to see that rocking of the pelvis. So if I'm here, you're going to see it kind of go back like this. You're also going to see a slight little flattening out of the curve behind you there. So you're just going up and in there. Good. The next step to this is you're going to get that contraction and that hold, and then you're going to keep that stable while you bring a leg up, and then you're going to slowly bring it back down. What's going to happen is when you bring the leg up, you're fine, and then on the way back down, some people start to lose that contraction here. So you want to make sure that you still have that pulling up and in of the abdominals as you slowly lower the leg back down. You can also take a break at the bottom if you need to, where you can kind of lift off and then pull back in there.